Hello beautiful souls, I am Yasuko and it's time for Massage Monday. This week I will share a face massage to reduce the broad jawline. Broad jawline may come from different reasons, such as bone structure, fat, or tight jaw muscles. Massage works on soft tissues, so it will not work if your broad jawline is from the bone structure. For that, you may want to consult a dentist or other medical professionals who can adjust or modify the bone structure. If you really want to, but I think it's better to embrace your beauty from your genes. If the broad jawline comes from fat, you can try my other video titled Anti-Aging Fat Reducing Tanaka Self Facelift Massage, which is super popular. It's old, but it's still effective. I will put the link here and below. Try this massage if your broad jawline comes from tight, overdeveloped jaw muscles or biting muscles called masseter. This will be effective if you tend to clench or grind your teeth at night. The idea is to loosen those tight muscles, and by relaxing them, you will get rid of the bulge and have a slimmer jawline. First, find the masseter. Place your fingertips in front of the ears under the cheekbone and clench. They pop out so it's easy to feel. Relax the masseter by slightly opening your mouth. Massage the masseter on 3 spots by circling with your fingertips 10 to 30 times. Do it gently because if you do it too strong, it may get harder or end up with inflammation. You can use the flat part of the fist too, but again, remember to do it gently because you can put pressure easily with a fist. You are not moving over the skin to cause friction on the skin. The contact points of the skin stay. Move to the 3rd spot. Clench to make sure you're on the masseter muscles. Encircle gently. Breathe deeply and thank these biting muscles. They have been working very hard, enabling you to chew foods so you can live. Next, put the base of the thumbs on the masseter and cover the ears with 4 fingers. Lightly open the mouth again. Move the entire hands to circle backward to massage the sides of your face. Do this 10 to 30 times. I'm doing both sides at the same time to save time, but you can do it one side at a time too. There are other ways to massage if you have a tennis ball. Place the tennis ball on the top part of the masseter in front of the ear below the cheekbone. Gently press and say A, E, O, U with a big mouth movement. Do this 3 times. A, E, O, U. Then put the tennis ball between the ear and the back of the jaw. Take a deep breath and gently press up and forward as you exhale. Your body relaxes when you exhale. You should feel a nice stretch. If it's painful, back off. Do this 3 times. Exhale as you press diagonally upward and forward. Last one, take a deep breath and exhale. Repeat on the other side. Put the tennis ball in front of the ear under the cheekbone. Gently press and say A, E, O, U. A, E, O, U. A, E, O, U. Place the tennis ball between the ear and back of the jaw and gently press up and forward diagonally as you exhale. Take a deep breath and repeat. The last one, take a deep breath and exhale. I have a bad neck and this stretch feels really good. Try this every day for a month as long as it doesn't cause pain. If it causes any pain or swelling, You may have done it too strong or it was too much for your jaw. So just rest until it subsides. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back next week. Make it a great week. Feel free to comment below and please don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell.